Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about bank account bonuses and income taxes, what you need to know for the year 2024. So, before jumping into too many details, I am a customer of the companies and products mentioned in this video. I'm not affiliated with Ground Floor. I am affiliated with M1 Finance. This video is for informational purposes only. The information in this video is current as the time is recording. Use of this information is at your own risk. This is all about fishing and not catching. YMMV, your mileage may vary, as is everything in life. So, shout out to a friend of the channel, Michael. He sent me this email. Do you have any guidance in filing taxes in regards to churning? I was thinking maybe that would be a good video for you. Yes, Michael, appreciate it. Thank you very much. I do make one of these videos on a yearly basis because there is some things that do change, and there is some things that have kind of changed a little bit differently in the year 2024. So, recap, why do people get paid? Well, people get paid to solve problems. If you solve little problems in life, you're going to make little money. If you solve bigger problems, you're going to make bigger money. What problems do banks have? Well, banks need new customers, and they're willing to pay very nicely to get them. Then you get the whole big stack of 1099s in your mailbox. What do you do with them? That's what we're here to talk about. There is a lot of money to be made in this fun and profitable game. I do have a $4 million challenge for the year 2024. I want to help at least, or I want to see at least 1,000 people make at least 4,000 from these videos in 2024. So if you can appreciate profitable content, from which bonuses to get to how to file taxes, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Definitely appreciate that. So first off, I am not a tax expert. I am a high school math teacher who has been collecting bank bonuses now for about 7 years, and only provide very general information as far as I know, is accurate. Please check with your tax professional before filing your taxes. So there's that. So just like you get a W-2 from your employer or a 1099 if you're an independent contractor, you will get 1099, either 1099 INT or 1099 MISC from collecting bank bonuses. My mailbox, and this year a lot more emails are getting. I'm getting a whole bunch of them every day. So I figure it would be a good time to make a annual video. I do make videos about this annually, so here's that video for 2024. So first, let's look at which bonuses are taxable and which are not. What do you have to claim? Well, for people in the bank bonus hunting game, there are two different types of income. There's credit card points and cashback, and then there's the bank bonus sign up, or also should have put interest in there. There's also interest that comes in this game as well. Henceforth, the 1099 INT. So credit card points and cashback they're generally considered a rebate on a purchase, and they're not taxed. But with everything in life, there is exceptions. Let me fix this. We're fostering a dog and he just ran into my desk. So anyway, so credit card points and cashback, they're generally considered a rebate on a purchase, and they're generally not taxed. Two exceptions I can tell you about. I'm sure there are more. When I got the Chase Sapphire when I got the Chase Sapphire checking bonus, which was a checking account bonus, but they paid that out in Ultimate Reward points. I did get a 1099 on that. So it didn't need to pay taxes on those UR points. And I also got Amex Business Checking Bonus and MR points. I needed to pay tax on that as well. So bank account bonuses, they are considered interest. So you can get a 1099 INT or 1099 MISC. You do need to pay taxes on them. Sorry to give bad news if you think that's bad news, but I would much rather collect a whole bunch of bank bonuses and pay a little bit in taxes than not get any bonuses and not pay any taxes. So paying taxes is not a bad thing. Paying taxes is a good thing. It means you made some money, right? So you don't really pay that much in taxes anyways. It's really easy money. If you want some really quick and easy money, join my buddy Jeff. He put in 10,000 one day and got $250 bonus the very next day. So I'm gonna keep plugging this in every video until everybody who's interested in making a very quick and easy $250 will sign up for it. Made a video about M1 Finance. I am an affiliate for M1, which is the best one. Um, it is an investment account bonus, no direct deposit required, nationwide offer. Full information to that video here. Just know that they do pay out really quick. All right, so first thing I wanted to mention, or next thing I wanted to mention, is I'm getting a lot more 1099s in my email box than in my mailbox. I'm getting both. Got a whole bunch today. So here's what Capital One sent me, an email. So Capital One, important tax document available. It's that time of year again. Yes, it is. That's from January 24th. So you can click on, if you happen to take advantage of one of the Capital One bonuses, check out your 2023 tax info. John, your Capital One tax info is ready to be viewed. So you can click on the link from the email. Some emails can be phishing emails, so you may not trust them, but you could also go to the Capital One website and you can see that the tax forms are now available, so you can view your forms directly from the website. So there is always bad actors, unfortunately, who like to take advantage of people in the phishing emails. I'm a high school math teacher, and I have to go through training each year about computer safety. So often it's best just to go directly to whichever banks you got bonuses from and view your forms from them. So from 2023, I got both the 1099 MISC and the 1099 INT. So you can click on those and you can download those. 1099 INT from Capital One. If you're curious, here's what it looks like. Basically, the only thing it says is interest income. I made over $1,800 in interest. Over 1,000 of that was from from the $1,000 bonus. So that's from one bonus. A lot of it. The rest of it was other stuff. Interest that went along with the bonus. And I think something else. I don't remember. So I use TurboTax to file my taxes, and here's some screenshots of what that looks like. So whatever tax software you use, TurboTax is funny because they ask some obvious questions such as, "Do you still collect bank account interest from Chase?" Yeah, I do, a whole bunch of it. So yes, they ask you about that. So on TurboTax, you can start with investments, and it's considered a investment interest, so get paid from bank or investment accounts, 1099 INT. So you want to click on that, and it says, yay, you're good from there. And then it starts, you can start typing in whatever banks you're in with, and it could look up your account from there. Like if you're, there's a whole bunch in there. Or you can enter it a different way. So how do you want to enter your 1099 INT? You can bring it over from the bank, download it from computer. Uh, for me, the easiest thing is just type it in myself, and here's what that looks like. It's really not difficult. So I got a bonus last year from TBK Bank. This 1099 INT belongs to John. So 500 in interest, and that's all you type in. So continue. Do any of these uncommon situations apply? So I put no, and that's it. So you keep typing them in until you're done typing them in, and you'll see that the hit on your how much either you owe or you get back is not too much. It all depends on how many of these you get. I get a whole bunch of them. So Amex, they show you how much you got. KeyBank, 360, TBK, 500. So I'm not going to get any more specific on this. Besides, you will get 1099 INTs, and you will need to pay taxes on those. You can say, hey, what if I didn't get the 1099? Well, the banks do have your social security number or tax ID number. They do report to the IRS who they pay interest to. So they do expect you to be honest and report your income. So there is that. If you're looking to get financially fit in 2024, Ground Floor is one thing that I'm definitely plugging. They have made their bonus really easy. They're making historic 10% returns. I'm actually getting a little bit more than that. So get steady passive income on the fast track with fractional real estate investments built for the everyday investor. No heavy lifting, just heavy returns. I absolutely love what Ground Floor has to offer. I was just on their website today. I had 3 of my investments cash out. So I plugged it back in, and you can get Greentown, Pennsylvania. It's a B-rated property. They go from A, B, C. The higher their rating, typically the lower the interest they pay. This one's a B-rated property, paying out 12%. It's a little cottage. I don't know if that's in the hills or Chattanooga. Tennessee, C-rated property, 12%. That is huge returns right there. They pay out really well. So love what ground floor has to offer. I do have a investment video about them. $50 easy bonus. You put in $100 invested, leave it there 30 days, invested into LROs, and you get $50. So link to that video is up here if you're interested in getting some easy money off of ground floor. Real estate investing is just amazing because the values have just gone up so much. You can go put money into like Blue Peak and get 5.2 or 5.3% in their savings account risk free, or you can make double that and then some off of ground floor. So it's a fun way to boost your investment portfolio. Long story short, bank account bonus central verdict. Paying taxes is not a bad thing. It shows that you made some money. Let's all make some money from bank bonuses in 2020. Well, that should say 2024. My bad. All right, so I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, training adventures, gmail.com, email me and I'll get back to you rather quickly. Moving along. So, what does the Bible say about taxes? Nobody likes paying them. Not saying that. Well, then, Jesus said, "Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, give to God what belongs to God." His reply completely amazed the people who were trying to drill them. Who are you loyal to? Well, he says, well, give to Caesar, give to Biden what belongs to Biden, and give to God what belongs to God. Additional information about this, how to follow Jesus, gotquestions.org. Link in the description box down below if you're interested in that. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate that. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you could be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.